Good morning, class. Today we will go into the next concept of promotion. We are into promotion, students. We are understanding marketing strategy. We have done with product, place, and price. Now we are into promotion. In promotion, we already saw the sales strategy, and now we are into personal selling. What is personal selling? Nothing but selling the products personally. When you sell the product one to one personally, it is referred to as personal selling. Now, in this personal selling, the most important thing is the oral part of the presentation. You have to present it orally, interact with the person, one or more customer. When I say you have to present it orally, see, when I mention that you have to do an oral presentation, that simply means that it involves a conversation with one or two customers. You can't talk with a large mass. If you talk with 1 lakh people at a time, that is called a public meeting. When you interact with 2 or 3 people, then only it is referred to as conversation. Right? How is it made? How does the company make personal selling? Personal selling, the companies, what they do is they appoint salesperson. The salesperson is appointed and he is given the contact details of the buyers, and they create, and these salespeople will go and create awareness about the company's product. Very simple. So what is personal selling? Personal selling is nothing but oral presentation and selling products personally. Oral presentation is made in the form of a conversation with one or more customers. Okay, now the most fundamental important fact related to personal selling is appointment of a salesperson or a sales executive. Selling is not it's not an capable selling is a very difficult and challenging task. You need to convince the customer. So what kind of role that a salesperson plays? A salesperson has to be very persuasive. He has to be a service provider. He has to be informative. You know why? Because persuasion is enabled to attract the attention of the customer and generate desire in his mind. He has to be a service provider. He has to talk about a lot about the product, and also when there is any query from the customer, when the customer is in a conversation, two people can talk. When the prospective customer is asking you a question or posing a doubt, you must be well informed about the product to give explanation related to the same. Next comes the important thing, sales promotion. Sales promotion is nothing but short term incentive. आपके लिए for this period of time, for 2 to 3 months, when there is a slack, when there is not much happening, at that time, in a short incentive, or it encourages the purchase or sale of a product or service. What is sales promotion? Sales promotion is nothing but it relates to short term incentives or activities that encourage the purchase or sale of a product or service. It is very, very short term. I will give you examples. The RD sale, the Dhamaka sale, the Ashadam sale, the drop down sales, the Bonanza offers, Amazon's recent Independence Day sale. These are all sales promotion, just to boost up the sales by attracting the people with offers and coupons and discounts and etc etc etc. These are often below the line initiatives. They are not mass initiative. Usually they are below the line, related to that particular retail shop. Right? What are major sales promotion activities? So it all depends upon the target. Sales promotion activities can be based on the consumer, the business, the trade, and the sales force. Now if it is consumer oriented, consumer को कैसे attract करोगे? How will you promote? Again, it is short term, children. It is short term, you have to remember. So when you talk about consumer promotions, how do I promote that? So shop के बाहर ही आपको दिखेगा कि 50% off, 30% off, 25% off. Now in the Crocodile store and the Lee Pepe jean store, you will be able to see at the display itself that there is an offer running: buy 2 jeans at the price of 1, buy 4 pants and take away 6. So all these are for the short period. Lifelong you will not have the same sales promotion. You will have it for this year, this month. Next year it will be something different. Right? So you can have competitions, you can have coupons, you can have sweepstakes, games. All these are conducted at the outlet. Okay, and on the pack offers, multi-pack offers, bounces, loyalty reward points, all those come under limited for a short period of time for that particular store. How do I attract the business people then? How do I conduct a business promotion? Suppose you are selling a B2B product, that is business to business product, and you are dealing with suppose a supplier of raw material you are, or you are supplier of some manufacturing equipment or machinery that is sold to another businessman. Then you will conduct seminars and workshops. You can have conferences, you can have trade shows, telemarketing and direct mail campaigns, newsletters, event sponsorships, and capability documents. All those things are fantastic ways of enabling a B2B transaction. It is very common in business field. Then comes your trade promotion. Trade promotion is nothing but they are to the purchase and sale. That is, trade promotion is done for wholesalers and retailers. Trade promotions are done for the distributors. Abhi distributors ko bhi you have to make them happy. So you give them extra perks if they sell beyond a certain particular thing. Rewards and incentives linked to the purchases. I told you on so many occasions that when you enter into a Varun showroom or a showroom of sellers like Acer Automobile, when you go there, they will purposefully make people buy. When they come with an intention of buying a Desire car, they may say that better than Desire you can go with a Santro, or better than that you can go with a Vertigo. Different. Why? Because inner meaning is they are actually getting additional incentives and perks. So the reseller staff incentives, the competitions, the corporate entertainment, bonus stock, all these come under trade promotions. In corporate entertainment, I will tell you students, here they have big parties where liquor, wine, everything is served, good food is served. They throw parties for no reason and call up their distributors and try to mehman bazi. All those things, it is very common in business. Reseller staff incentives. There is a chamber of commerce in which people throw parties, bonus stock, etc., etc. All those things they do it. Then next comes the sales promotion. No, this is for the sales executives. Poor fellows, they are very persuasive. In the beginning I told what are sales are. Those people, for them I'll attract them with commission. I will attract them with prizes and competitions. Who is the best salesperson of the month, best salesperson of the year, effective employee of the year, all these awards and all to make him work more better, to motivate him, right? Back to top is number one sales executive, the person who made the highest sales possible, right? Then comes the next to fourth important category of promotion, that is your public relation. What is public relation? Public relation is a deliberate, planned, sustained effort to establish and maintain mutual understanding between organization and the public. Public relations are critically very important to maintain your goodwill, to have a good image in the eyes of public. Particularly the customers, we can generate a positive word of mouth and referrals from satisfied customers. This Ashwini hair oil, Skin Craft, Moms Pro, all those things do a lot of public relations. Public relations is definitely very very important to build up your image. Suppose your image got destroyed due to something, again to rebuild the image you need public relations. Alright, public relation news tools include news creation and distribution. कुछ ना कुछ न्यूज़ में रहना, हमेशा लोगों के ज़बान पे चलते रहना. Special events such as news conferences, grand opening and product launches, inviting a celebrity for opening of your shop or a retail outlet or a branch, speeches and presentations, educational programs. The movie release के पहले भी ये सब करते हैं. You then generally they do it. Annual report, reading out the annual report, the brochures, the newsletters, the magazines, everything. Community activity. Say for example, Radio Mirchi along with few State Bank of India, etc. They went into cleaning the Hussain Saga for some time. All these are community activities, sponsorships, Khelo India campaign, everything. So many things they do to be in the eyes of public. With this, your promotional tools comes to an end. In tomorrow's class, we will be able to learn about your negotiation, which is very very important, right? Very simple concept here. In today's class, what we have learned about sales promotion. We learned what is personal selling. Then we understood what is sales promotion. Under sales promotion, there are different categories of sales promotion based on the target. Consumer means the prospective customer. Business means B2B transaction. Trade promotion for the distributors, that is wholesalers and retailers or agents, if in case you have one. And then comes the sales force promotion, right? Sales force is an employee of yours, so you have to attract him with commission. Trade promotion, throw parties, etc. Give him commissions, incentives and perks. Distribution, it is mainly having trade shows, conferences, presentations, etc. Consumer, give them Dhamaka sale, 1+1 discount, coupons, cash grows, 1+1 offers, scratch the card. All those things comes for the customer, right? With this, we'll end our session. Thank you and have a very very fantastic day.